Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In our last video, our trip from August 2023 came to an abrupt end after a catastrophic tire failure. And in case you didn't know, the Civic Si doesn't come with a spare tire in the US. Now we return to the Lucky 7 truck stop nearly a year later with a new tire, well, a whole new car now, to resume our trip and complete our I-95 series. So we start out driving through a series of unnecessary roundabouts to re-enter I-95 at around mile 61 near the town of Wade, North Carolina. Wade, which lies west of I-95 on US Highway 301, is known as the home of Southern hospitality and had a population of 638 as of the 2020 census. Exit 58 connects I-95 with the southern terminus of US 13, which leads north to the suburbs of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This is also the northern terminus of I-295, also called the Fayetteville Outer Loop, which is a partially finished bypass around the north and west sides of Fayetteville. As of the filming of this video, about 22 miles are open, connecting US 401 in West Fayetteville to I-95 here. The remaining section, which will link US 401 to I-95 near Parkton, is under construction and should be done by 2026. A 6.3-mile stretch east of Parkton is currently marked as North Carolina State Highway 295, which served as a temporary designation before the I-295 name was officially adopted. We're now in the town of Eastover, incorporated in 2007. Eastover had a population of 3,656 as of the 2020 census. The upcoming Exit 56 connects to I-95 business through Fayetteville, which follows US 301 through town. This is the first I-95 business route we've seen coming from the north and is debatably the only business route of I-95 throughout its entire length. Fayetteville is best known as the home of Fort Bragg, briefly known as Fort Liberty, is still noted on the big green sign at the exit, one of the largest US Army installations in the world, located just northwest of the city. Nearby is Pope Field, an Air Force-operated facility that works in coordination with the Army through formal agreements as part of Fort Bragg's operations. The city has earned a reputation for its strong support of military families. Around 500 local volunteers have committed to offering personalized assistance to service members and their loved ones. In addition, participating businesses in the area provide discounts and special services to military families. This commitment to the military community led Time magazine to name Fayetteville America's most pro-military town. As of 2023, Fayetteville had an estimated population of just over 209,000, with the surrounding metro area approaching 400,000 residents. I-95 doesn't actually pass through the city limits of Fayetteville, but we see several exits that serve the city, so it was worth mentioning. We drive along the western edge of the unincorporated community of Vander, which had a population of 1,388 as of the 2020 census. We enter Robeson County, and we see construction here as part of the ongoing widening project of I-95 through North Carolina. We'll see a not yet complete interchange as of the filming of this video. The exit is open today as Exit 38, connecting to what will eventually be the southern end of the I-295 Fayetteville Outer Loop mentioned earlier. If you're a fan of the Reelz docuseries On Patrol Live, hosted by Dan Abrams, that airs on Friday and Saturday nights, cameramen followed the Robeson County Sheriff's Office back in mid-2024. Robeson County had a population of 116,530 as of the 2020 census. We conclude today's video at mile 34. Thanks for watching. We'd like to give special thanks to Front Seat Channel member Northwest Indiana Elevators and Back Seat Channel members Darren 175, Audubon 5425, Stuart Webb, John Neal, and Roadway Wiz. You too can help support our channel for as little as $1 a month and get early access to our regular videos. But either way, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.